ESPR Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Esperion Therapeutics has been sitting at $2.25, 11.76% down. So where the freaking hell are we heading next? I want to be honest with you here. This is a bullish market, and when I say bullish, previously I was looking to long, and that did mean, like, did I mention this delivered? It was made somewhere in here. Let me show you the proof. So we're talking videos in March. Like, this was made 8 months ago, 24th of March.
He first pulls back and then breaks the high. Only the high.
Right, and guess what happened? We got the second break that I was talking about here. What's next? We deliver towards these highs. I'm more so going to mark out these highs because this is still a bullish market for me. Ultimately, like, by default, coming down from this demand area. So if I see the price give me the double break, then and only then this is something that I will long, and everything else is going to be proper noise. So do this, mark out the highs, and I got my confirmation here. That's it. All I'm doing in the meantime is waiting. So if you want to learn the strategy, there is a free daily newsletter. First link in the description. See ya.